Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today is all about June favorites. That's right, my top 5 products that I have been loving on the entire month of June. And I'm not gonna say that I can't believe it's the end of the month again, because as I told you guys last time and the time before and the time before, where does the time go? The time just flies by. So let's jump right into this video. This is gonna be a quick one, in and out, show you guys what I've been loving, and let's get started. I don't know what the weather is like where you live, but I'm sure it's warm. I'm sure the sun is out, and I'm sure you're going to be spending more time outdoors. One product that I have been loving on ever since I purchased it, and I've had this in my collection for like maybe 2 months now. This is the Tula Skincare. This is their probiotic, and it's already coming off here. Probiotic and Superfoods Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel with broad spectrum SPF 30. This does prevent against UVA, UVB rays. It also protects against blue light. I picked this up directly from the Tula website, but it is available on the Ulta Beauty website, and I will have it linked in the description box down below in case you are interested in purchasing this. I have absolutely loved it. I will say that the dewy effect is there, but it kind of fades away as the day goes by. So just keep that in mind. It's not like a full-on dewy glow. Like if you're familiar with the Super Gloop glow screen, that definitely has way more glow than this one does. This also says that it's going to be a skincare item as well. So it has probiotics that hydrate and prevent water loss to help strengthen the skin barrier. It says it's also infused with pineapple and papaya that promote an even skin tone. It says it also has wild butterfly ginger root, which protects against the blue light stressors. That's what we want. We are like on our phones 24/7 in front of the computer screens nowadays. We really want to protect our skin from getting those blue light rays and to prevent premature aging. It says to apply a generous and even layer to the face. My recommendation is go in with a quarter size amount. Rub that really well, kind of really get it going, warm the product up between your fingers, and then apply it directly to your face. Bring it on down to your neck. You really have to warm up the product, guys, and then let it sit, let it relax on your skin for maybe about 10 minutes. If you can go 15 minutes, that's better, before applying makeup, just so that it could really absorb well into the skin. And I have used this, I'm actually wearing it today, and my foundation isn't compromised by using this. All of the makeup that I've worn has worked really well with this product. I have not encountered any issues with it whatsoever. No irritation, no burning, no stinging, no nothing. It's just an all-around great product from a brand that I really love and trust. The next item that I want to share with you guys is a brush that I tend to use almost every single day to apply my highlighter, and that is the Morphe M501 brush. So this is an up close view of what this little brush looks like. I love the little point right here because that really allows for accurate placement of the highlighter. For me, this just perfectly hugs the C area right here along my temples, my cheekbones. It's perfect for right here doing a quick little nose highlight, the cupid's bow, the chin, even right up here under my eyebrow. Guys, I've used this brush for years. I love it for applying highlighter. I have to order another one because this is the only one I have. Morphe brushes are so affordable. This is definitely less than $10. Of course, it'll be linked in the description box down below. But guys, this is my all-time favorite highlighting brush. I highly recommend this one from Morphe. Next up is an item we all need to be using right now, and that is hand sanitizer. This is from the brand HEMPZ, and this is their triple moisturizing herbal hand sanitizer. Guys, this stuff is fantastic. Not only does it help to moisturize your skin, it's also killing those harmful bacteria that we can get on our hands from touching random objects or just from living life in general. It also smells like a grapefruit cocktail or something. It just immediately makes you think of summertime, fun in the sun. I love wearing, or I love using this hand sanitizer. I keep it in my kitchen. I use it multiple times a day. This does have 63% of alcohol. It says that it is paraben-free, gluten-free, 100% vegan, THC-free, kills 99.9% of germs, and it does leave your hands soft and moisturized, and I can fully attest to that. This retails for about $20 on the Ulta Beauty website. That's where I picked it up. This is the largest size that they have. This is the 17 fluid ounces size. I've had this for about a month and a half now, and I use it every single day, and there's still quite a bit in there. This is going to last you a very long time. I would get like these small bottles. I have one right here, one that Elf sent me, and just refill them, and I keep this size in my purse. I just love that this isn't over drying either, and I know with hand sanitizer and us washing our hands a lot, this is just one way we can moisturize our hands while keeping them free of germs. My next favorite for the month of June are these Honest Beauty blushes. I have the powder and the cream form that I'm going to show you. This is the powder version of their blush. This is called the Lit Powder Blush, and this is in the shade Flirty. I love that this blush has just like a little hint of shimmer to it, like a little, like a glowiness. You can kind of see that there. This is not like a full-on like highlighter blush at all, but you do get a nice soft little sheen to it, and I just love the color. Again, this is in the color Flirty. Now for the cream blush, which I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with. This one is the Peony Pink Cream Cheek Blush. I love to layer these blushes on top of each other, so I'll go in first with this blush here with the cream one, and then I'll add a little bit of this one on top of it, and it just kind of helps to set it and really intensify it, and I just love the way they look together. You can find both of these blushes on the Ulta Beauty website, and they do retail for $13 each. The cream blush even comes with a little mirror, so that is a great bonus. And I'm really wanting to do a full face of Honest Beauty. Let me know if that is something that you would like to see. Right now, these are the only Honest Beauty products that I have. Last but not least, we have two different eyeliners that I reviewed recently on my channel, and these are more recent finds. These are products that I've only had in my stash for about a week, but I have been using them, and if you've noticed, I've been wearing more false eyelashes than I ever have before. So the products that I'm referring to are these eyeliner lash adhesive combos. This is the first one that I tried out, and this is from the brand Velour, and this is more of your traditional liquid eyeliner applicator, as you can see there. And all you do, guys, is you apply it as you would any eyeliner, get your falsie, stick it down, you're good to go. It is that simple, and I will definitely have the video review that I did on this linked up above so you guys can check it out. I also recently uploaded my review and also comparison of these two. This power liner came out about a week ago, and this is more my style. This marker felt tip applicator, this is what I prefer in an eyeliner. It's easier for me to work with, it's easier for me to get into the inner corner to make my wing with, and this is actually the one that I am wearing today along with my BH Cosmetics false eyelashes in M201, I think that's the style, and I love them both. This one is waterproof to some extent. It's not full-on waterproof. If you watch my review video over this, you'll see what I mean. But I think both of these companies had great ideas, genius ideas, and because they made these products, guys, I'm gonna wear falsies a little bit more often. I think they just elevate the look. They take the look to the next level. And that was one of the reasons why I never reached for false eyelashes. I didn't want to deal with the glue. I didn't want to have to deal with cutting them, the tedious work of applying them. This makes it so simple. Whichever one you want to get, guys, to me, they're both winners. I think it's just going to depend on what applicator style do you prefer. Do you prefer the traditional liquid or do you prefer the marker style? It's going to be up to you. This one retails for $23. This one retails for $20. This is the Lilly lashes. This is the Velour. So guys, that completes my June beauty favorites. What did you all think of the products that I selected? What do you think of the products I've been loving on? Have you tried any of them? Are you going to try any of them? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I want to wish all of you a happy and safe 4th of July. However it is that you are going to be celebrating, please be safe, be careful, and enjoy your time with your loved ones. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.